welcome back to my channel Cindy Nurella. Oke, interesting. Apa kabar semuanya? Aku harap semuanya baik-baik aja ya. Nah, hari ini tuh aku mau rock climbing di Catba. Dan sekarang ini aku lagi ada di Haiphong. Jadi yuk kita lihat gimana sih perjalanan dari Haiphong ke Catba. Oke? See you there. Ada di tempat pegunungannya, mau naik gunung, gila, gunung batu men. Halo Mara, gimana hari ini kamu? Oke nggak, siap nggak buat naik gunung? Siap nggak buat naik gunung? Nggak tahu, gila ya. This will be my first time to climb a mountain, and I don't know I can make it or no, but let's try it. Okay.
Don't pull this one.
So small.
It's okay.
Yeah, you're not gonna fall upside down.
Just don't fall out. I can tie this around her neck just in case. I'm just kidding. Don't worry. Does it feel like it's gonna fall off?
No,
no, right? It's not going over your hips, right?
It's not gonna pull down. It's
Yeah.
gonna pull up, right?
Okay.
When you fall. So.
Yeah, and I'll help you. I'll make these tight.
Okay. So you're gonna keep your socks on, or you're gonna put on my shoes.
Yeah, socks will help you because then the shoes will be better.
Yeah.
And the shoes are like glue, so like if you think you can't step on this, you can step on this. You can step on this. The shoes are really, really strong. They just go like a gecko or like a lizard, you know? So like don't think you can't, it's too small, don't think like that. Just try. You can feel he's gonna pull you up and there's no falling. You don't fall like me or him. You're just gonna lean back and this pulls up and you sit down.
Yeah.
That's it. No falling.
Oh shit! Perfect. Take off that shoe. No.
Check out shoes for her. She's gonna...
Where's your bag? She coming? Sick. Alright. She was about to climb in my size 43 shoes, so that's probably bad luck. Can she use your old shoes? Yeah, perfect timing.
Yes, always.
Thanks, man. keep walking up. Don't worry about your hands.
Sampai ke
Walk
atas,
up the leg
sampai ke
you're standing
atas.
on, to the left.
Keep going left. Don't.
Yeah, good job. Good job. Keep going. No, you're not
Keep
stuck.
going. Keep going
Move your
left.
feet, not your hands. Don't do anything with your hands.
Don't
Take
pull
your
that.
hand off that.
Don't pull that.
Take your hand off that. Use your feet.
Yeah, there you go. Keep going left.
Yep.
Kaki kanannya keluar juga. Ngelewati
Good,
tali.
You're doing great.
Pull her
Don't worry
up.
about the hands. Feet.
Pull her up. She's got like fucking. There you go.
Now step over this with your right foot and your right hand. Don't touch that.
Don't
Take your
touch
fucking
that.
hand off that. There you go. That's dangerous. You get hurt doing that.
Now you're good.
There
Now
you
you can start climbing up again.
Yeah, the shoes will stick to everything. Yeah. Yeah, the hands won't. The shoes will.
Let her sit down. Maybe she wants to feel
Yeah.
like.
Have a seat. Sit in the harness. See what it feels like.
Do you want
Lean
to
back.
sit down slowly? Feel what
Yeah,
it feels
sit
like.
down. Have a take a rest. Yeah, sit. Actually sit.
I sit like that.
Yeah, trust it. Let go with your hands. Just sit down.
Huh?
Just sit down. Let go of your hands with the rock. Yeah, sit
Yeah.
right down. Grab the
Until
rope
you
if you
feel
want.
it,
Sure.
yeah.
See? I got you.
Slowly let go of the rope. Sit down with your feet. Relax your feet.
Yeah, you can take a
Duduk.
rest. Lower your
Yeah.
hands.
Push back from the wall. Push back far away from the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. See. But relax. Don't. You can let go of your hands too, right? So you
You're
get a
doing
good rest.
No, I should go up.
Yeah, but don't
Yeah.
pull the rope.
Don't pull rope.
Just use the rock.
Ah,
You'll be fine.
You can do it. You can make it up.
Yeah. See, I got you. You can't fall. All that can happen if you slip is what happened just now, where you'll be sitting down.
just I have no idea where how to.
Left. Keep going left.
Go left.
Go,
Go left.
not right, go left. Yeah, everything goes to the left in this one.
Look,
bring your
look
left leg
underneath
up.
you. You have feet underneath you like a little shell. Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go. Exactly.
Bring your left foot up.
But I can't take it like
Feet. Left feet. Look down. There's little pieces that those shoes will stick to.
kaki.
You're doing good. Yep, great. Now left foot. Oh, there you go. Big move. Now get your left foot up.
Can't take it.
Look at your
Kaki
left
kiri,
foot.
lutut kiri.
You'll be good. Not the other foot.
Other foot first.
Kaki kiri.
Actually think the line is further to the right.
No, she's fine.
She can go this way.
You get your left foot up.
Kaki
me.
kiri di atasnya kak, di atasnya
Hey,
kak.
whoa, stop. Why doesn't she go all the way right to the other side like I did?
Hey,
Look at
that's what I just said.
Yeah, exactly.
Why?
Yeah.
Go all the way right to the right side of the rope.
Is further up.
The same thing. I go that. Step over the rope.
Over.
Ah, keluar.
Under, over.
Over the rope.
There you go.
Oh, I got you. You're doing great. Yeah, good job.
That's good.
Yep. Okay. Now bring your feet up. Yep, good job. Now the left foot. Left foot too. Left foot.
Left first.
Yeah, how do I say left foot in Indonesian? Now,
Kaki kiri. Kaki kanan di atas tadi benar.
Yeah.
Kaki kanan di
Yeah,
atas.
that
Nah,
was
kaki
left
kiri, kaki kiri.
left foot, not your arms. the left
Kaki,
foot. You're not listening.
tangannya udah benar. Terus kaki
Trying to
kirinya
pull
naik.
herself up.
I know. Don't pull yourself up. Use your feet.
Just push with your feet. Don't pull.
Feet.
Well, she can hold herself, put the feet
Yeah,
up.
left foot up first, then right foot up. Put your right foot down.
Kaki kanan,
Left foot. Stop trying to pull yourself with your hands. You're not listening to us.
kaki
Put your right
Kaki.
foot down. Right foot down. Left foot up first.
left foot.
Yeah, little
There
higher.
you go.
Little higher. No.
No.
There you go.
Yeah.
There it is. There.
Now stand up and put your right foot
Now
up.
stand up. Yeah. No. Yep.
There you go.
Yep. Now
sorry.
stand up with your right foot. Both feet. Yeah, you can do it. Stand up.
Just like that. Just push.
Just do it. Stand up with the push of the foot, not with the arms. Yeah, you can do it. Push. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Feet. Think of the feet.
Anjir.
Right? You can't just do a chin up with your hands. Too hard. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Good.
Now you want to go to the left.
Yeah, go
Now
left.
You should go to the left.
Walk left.
Otherwise you can't get further.
Ke kiri.
Yeah, we were sweating too. It's sweaty. Put your hands in the chalk bag behind you. Yeah. Yes, sir. Remember, your feet are holding you, not your hands. Your hands aren't doing shit. Hands make you feel better.
Maybe spread your legs more. It would help.
Okay, move that left foot left. Not the hands, the feet. Move the feet left. Oh, and come step. Yeah, great job. Yep, do that. Yeah. Oh, wait. But move those feet. That where your left foot is, you're gonna walk along that shelf, over the rope.
Ke
Over the rope.
lompati talinya.
Yeah, good job. Now step over the rope.
Yes.
You're doing great.
Oh, good.
Very good job.
Bagus.
Yeah.
Bagus.
Okay, right foot over the rope.
Kak.
Yeah, great
Good
job. Look at
job.
you, you're halfway there.
Keep fighting. Come on.
Now your left foot's gonna go up to by your left knee. There's a really good foothold.
Left
Pick up your left foot. This is no.
Kaki
Put that
kiri.
shit away. That's your right foot. Left foot. Left
Kaki
foot.
kiri.
Left foot. Ignore your right foot.
But I can't make it.
Yes, you can. Nothing happens if you fall. Put your left foot up. Left
Kaki
foot.
kiri, kaki kiri.
Kaki kiri.
Kaki kiri.
Yes, there is. I'm telling you. Put your left foot up on it.
Oh, itu Kak yang di lutut, Kak.
Left foot. You got this. We're gonna get you up to the top.
Can I just take a rest?
Sure.
Just take a rest.
Sit
Sure.
down.
Sit down. Actually, sit down.
But sit down normally. Let
Kaki-
go of the rope.
kaki-
Let go of the rope.
Just sit down. Sit,
Let
sit,
go.
sit.
Hands below your heart.
Yep.
Hands below your heart. Hands down.
Di
Put your hands down straight. Yeah. Yeah.
Dua-duanya.
Like that. Let them hang right down.
Feet too, maybe. Straighten your feet.
This right, I have to step here.
Yeah.
Correct.
Oke.
You're doing great. You're gonna get up to the top.
Wow, let's go.
Yep. There it is. There it is. You can step up to that, and then your hands, everything's gonna go up to the left. Yep. There you go. Step up, and then put your right foot on anything. Yep. That's it. Don't worry about that one up high yet. Just go left. And you step up with your left foot, and then put your right foot right on the wall.
Okay. So hold.
Yep. Left, left, left. Left with your hand, left with your feet. Everything to the left.
Kiri. Kaki kanannya ada.
Yeah, doing good. Now left foot. Right, remember we talked about it, the left foot. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Nope, put it back there.
But my hands right.
Fuck your hands. Put the left foot up.
Oke.
There you go. Now your right foot's up. Yep, step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Do it.
Yeah, don't be afraid. Just stand.
Step up. Stand up.
He's pulling you up.
I can't even.
Yes, you can. Shh. Put your left foot back up there. Put your left foot back up there, and we're gonna step up together. I'm gonna give you a boost. Ready? Put it up. Put it up there.
even what I did.
Put your left foot up there. You did that, and then you went right foot high. Okay, ready? Now your right foot's gonna go left. 3, 2, 1, go.
Naik.
Yeah. Just
Go.
pull.
Step up.
Ditarik.
Come on.
Step up. Legs. Big strong legs.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Come on, you can do it.
Bisa, Kak. Bisa.
Put her hands down like this. Shake them. Yeah, below her butt. Below your heart.
Kak, tangannya turun di apa namanya? Di kayak digoyang gitu. Di belakang pantat.
Yeah, both hands. Same
Dua-duanya nggak usah pegangan.
time. There you go. Just
See,
like that.
now you're not afraid to fall down. You can see you're
You're
hanging.
just sitting there,
So
right?
just jump up this part. If you need to jump, just jump and stand up. He's gonna catch you.
Tangannya dari jangan narik apa-apa. Terus kaki kirinya naik. Oh, aku jadi takut.
I get cigarettes. Do you guys want something?
Sure. Go for it. Step. How about you put your right foot in the crack? See the crack? Try putting your right foot in there.
Kanan.
No, closer, like
Kat.
in the middle.
Di tengah,
Yeah, higher. Put higher in the
tapi di
crack.
atas. Nah,
Yeah. Wedge it in there and step up. You do that?
Emang deh. Atas bisa nggak?
Just keep trying that way. Listen, if it doesn't work this way for you, try a different way.
I think
Try
that
any
maybe
way
the
what
right-
feels comfortable, but as long as you can pull yourself up. There's more things to put your feet on, not just that, you know?
Stand up. Left foot up.
You need to put your left foot up more.
Yeah.
There,
up,
see?
Up. You got this.
Come on, yes!
Yay!
Oh, good.
Yeah, come on. Now keep moving, don't give
Now
up.
keep going.
That I couldn't have done that. That would have been hard. Put your right foot up like that.
Hey, Leah, what's up?
Perfect timing. We're still warming up.
Okay, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Feet up. Right foot up. Right foot up now. Okay, step up again. More steps up. Yep, good job. Yep. See, now you're gonna put your feet up in the big crack by your hip.
I hope it doesn't take this long. Now
Yep, step up. You're doing great. Look at you. Keep going. Yeah. Couple more. Yeah, I'm pulling you up. Don't worry. Okay, I got you. The video from yesterday?
It's Suchel.
Oh,
But you saw it anyway, you were blaming.
Oh.
So they just set up this.
Yeah, you're doing great. Don't worry. You're gonna get up there.
Good job, Kak.
You should stand there.
Your harness where your thigh is, your crotch. Can you step your right foot inside? Yeah, there you go. Stand up. Bring your right foot into where your crotch is. Stand up. Hands, you're not going to find head. Middle, into the crack. Inside. Yep. Too far wide. Inside. Yep. Do it. Who cares? Stand up in the boat. There you go. Get your right foot inside. Right foot inside. You're there. Right foot into the middle. Put your right foot where your crotch is. You can do it. Yep. Bring your right foot into the middle.
You're not standing up on your left foot.
Yes. Up.
Ke atas, ke at.
Up and in the middle. Put that right foot in the middle. Come on, my voice is getting tired.
Got it.